I'm Paul Fleeton, National Contracting Director for Tarmac.
I am Brian Hume, Health and Safety Manager for Balfour Beatty Regional Civil Engineering.
I'm Jerry Kennedy. I'm the Roads Manager for HAVme here in North Lanarkshire.
My name's Willie Roger Builders Limited, Station Road, Errolston. We are building and civil engineering contractors, established in 1847. Like to think we're the oldest in Scotland. We concentrate on industrial buildings, road surfacing and joinery, and crane hire.
Hand-down vibration syndrome is a massive problem for our industry and for my business. About 20% of my workforce are showing various degrees of hand-down vibration syndrome, HAVs. And that's a real concern. Historically, our industry relied upon paper-based systems to record exposure to HAVs. It never really worked, it wasn't accurate, and it wasn't real live time. But about 3 years ago, ReactTech came with a proposal to do away with our paper-based systems and replace them with the latest technology. And this latest technology actually allows us to accurately measure and monitor our employees' exposures to HAVs.
As an employer, the legislation requires us to manage individuals' exposure to hand-down vibration. I was introduced to ReactTech by our innovations manager, and I was intrigued by the equipment they had on offer, as it seemed to be a perfect solution to our issues that we had in relation to the management of hand-down vibration. It's very difficult to try and quantify what sort of amount of exposure an individual has had.
The previous system that we employed was very much a manual input. The data was taken by the operative and he wrote it into his daily allocation sheet. This is basically using his memory at the end of the day for the time that he spent using vibratory tools. With the hand-arm vibration meter, we have an accurate, user-friendly piece of kit which allows us to manage hand-arm vibration much easier.
The simplest way of describing what the HAVmeter is it's a small plastic gadget that fits onto any tool that we operate that creates vibration. It compares with the old system very well. It's like night and day.
Tarmac are committed to the ReactTech HAVmeter system. We're already rolling it out across our business and we're seeing positive results from the reporting and measurement of hand-down vibration in our employees. Our employees like the system, it's easy to use and it helps them self-regulate their own exposures. But there are also other beneficial aspects to the HAVmeter. The tool tag, for instance, proves to be a useful asset tracking device and also helps us with our maintenance schedules.
The best thing about the system is it's plug and play. It's so simple to use, anybody can use it. And we have all ranges. Anybody can use it. Saves a lot of time on paper. You don't have to look for biros and paper and forms and making all that guesswork. It works.
It's been 3 years of hard work from ReactTech, working with ourselves to actually develop this product. And this product is a step change.
It really is very much a health and safety management tool. So it cuts out supervisor, cuts out the men, and it cuts out my technical team. This means that we can make a major saving as far as administratively is concerned and allows supervisors and technicians to carry out their technical work, which is a major part of the organisation's work.
The ReactTech system offers the ideal solution. It's really good that the individual himself can actually monitor his exposure, and it gives him personal reassurance that his health has not been endangered whilst he's coming to do his work during that particular day.
As I've said, about 20% of my workforce suffers from HAVs to varying degrees. It's absolutely imperative that I safeguard these employees from further overexposure to vibration. The new HAVmeter allows me to do that, and it enables the employee to closely monitor the vibration levels he's actually incurring on a daily basis.
And, hey, looks after our people.